Did you kill your mother?
Yeah.
And the method you chose was what?
Beating her to death.
And you beat her to death with what?
Sledgehammer.
Yeah. And where did you hit her?
In the head.
Did she make a noise?
I could just hear the hammer hitting her head.
And what did it sound like?
Murder, and the judge made the observation that it was a very savage murder. The allegations in the juvenile petition are that she was asleep and that he came in and murdered her with a sledgehammer.